All right, hey, I got Blair with me. Hey, say what's going on, Blair, to YouTube, brother. I'm up here using Blair trailer guys today. He got an awesome deal off with this trailer here, so I think I'll be the second one to use it. So you guys know, whenever I'm picking up the trailer, it can only mean one thing. We are going to pick up some junk from the salvage yard, or we're going to pick up another vehicle. Which one do you guys think it is? So I'm going to leave it at that, but it can only mean two things: salvage yard or a new project for the shop. Let me know what you think. I'll get right back with you. All right, crew, so we're over here at my buddy's place picking up another shop build, guys. That's gonna be the next project for us, and I'm looking forward to this next adventure. I got my buddy Blair with me over here. He's gonna help me put it up here on the truck, so we're gonna take a look at this nice little Triumph.
In a nutshell.
Yep. So this is what we're picking up here today.
Were you in the lifesaver crew?
Huh?
I was up until about...
We're gonna try to figure out a way to get it out of here. Just go easy with it.
Can we get in and steer?
Well, it's gonna move it that way once we get it out there, yeah.
Okay.
Gonna crank it down.
Hey, get on that side of the foot, like creep down whenever. Yeah.
Shoot, boy, I don't want to be sitting right here. That damn chain
Oh,
come
no.
back.
No, it ain't gonna reach back here.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah. Alright, go ahead.
Huh?
Tell him why you stop.
What'd you stop? Oh, it's that metal underneath you heard moving.
Yeah, that's all it is. What happened?
I think you heard that metal moving.
Oh, yeah, it's just
Oh,
you got metal.
I thought something broke. Okay.
No, yeah. Those tires are sitting on that metal, pick those metal.
You want me to just ease it on out?
Yeah. Just listen to him. We'll tell him what's going on.
If you go like that, I'm gonna tell him to stop.
Yes. He got that metal underneath it. Yeah, that's all it was. That's what those drunk brakes do that sometimes. Alright?
Oh,
Alright, Blair, you got to get in the steering now.
I was gonna say you're gonna need somebody to steer it there.
Yeah, he's got the steering now.
Did it break loose?
Oh yeah, it was just like some once I sprayed that stuff in there too.
So let's roll one now.
Oh yeah.
Let's go to you think we can do it with a lawnmower?
I don't know. Not yet. No, yeah. And once we get it right down there,
We'll see.
past that
You got a
tank
little
there.
bit of an incline right here.
Yeah, we'll be
so.
good. Then we better push it on there.
Well, it's still stuck enough where it ain't gonna free roll too much.
Exactly. No, it's not gonna free roll. Hey Blair, when we start going down here, could you check the brakes to see if there's any brakes?
The brakes go straight to the floor.
Okay. All right. So no brakes. Okay. Yeah, you good.
You gonna pull it out to about right here now?
Yes, about right here.
Pull the front end about right here.
And then that way we can push it the rest.
When it gets to where he's standing,
Matter of fact, let me get these blocks. Give me a block.
are you ready?
Yep.
No.
I think that'd be good. We can push it now.
It rolled freely.
It was rolling pretty good now. All right, crew, so we finally got the 1970 Triumph on it, on the trailer here. This is the first time, I believe he said, like in what, 20 years since it's been out in the sunlight. So I'm gonna take her to the house. We're gonna wash her up. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it in the driveway. We're gonna try to clean her up today. Just clean it out, see what we're working with. And we're gonna do another walkthrough once I get it off the trailer. Now, Blair, you said the brakes didn't work, right? You try to pump the brakes?
No, they get straight to the floorboard.
Yeah. All right, crew, so we are actually back at the house. And me and Blair went ahead and dropped it off, and I got it sitting here. Got it sitting at an angle, but hey, I'm so happy I got it back here. The wheels were stuck on it. I think the hubs, the rear hubs, was probably locked up on it, but I knew as soon as we put a little pressure on it, they would start rolling. So guys, like I told you before, man, this is a TRIUMPH GT6 Plus. All right, one owner vehicle. If I'm not mistaken, the title said that it has 65,000 miles, original miles. Last time this was tagged was actually in 1987, and he parked it in the garage with a little cigar here. It was in 1987. That was the last time this thing was actually driven. So what is that, like 34 years or whatever? So it's been sitting for 34 years. So one thing that I like to do here is when I first get these vehicles, I'm going to go ahead and put some degreaser over it, and we're going to clean her up. I'm going to wash it up real good. He got some original stuff. Everything's original in here, but we're going to clean it up. He got some extra parts over there for me, so it doesn't look like it's much in there, but just like the original parts. The dash hasn't been molested or anything, which is great. I'm so happy about that. Hopefully I can either maybe get a different type of wood and try to refurbish all this, and that's if I decide to keep it. But my main thing is I want to get it running. See here, this is my first time opening her up. Look like it got some side pieces here. I think those could be redone. So I'll open and, you know, we'll go through all this here. But first thing is guys, I want to go ahead and wash her up. I do need to put it in gear. So let's go ahead and put some degreaser on it, and let's go ahead and give her a quick washing up and see how she looks after she had a bath for over 30, I think 34 years. All right, guys, so we're back. We finished cleaning up the old GT Triumph, and she was pretty dirty. She was pretty filthy. I actually put some degreaser on her and everything, and I actually checked inside to make sure that I had no leaks inside, and there was no leaks. I actually cleaned underneath the bonnet. And one cool thing about this vehicle, the reason what, oh, I got the other side locked. One cool thing about this Triumph is that he actually had two hoods. So this hood here is not the original hood. The reason why he replaced it, he said, because you know, hell, I think 15, 20 years ago, he actually got hit and he replaced it, the bonnet. So I will be getting another bonnet and stuff. He said there's a little minor damage here on the fender, but I tell you what, I really like this truck, man. I mean, not truck, I apologize. I really like this car. I'm gonna have to get used to saying that. I'm not used to sedans or whatever. This is my first one. So if you guys out there know anything about these Triumphs, I know there's a forum for Triumphs and stuff. You guys help me out. Let me know what I need to do to this Triumph. Should I keep it, or should I go ahead and do a quick flip, go ahead and get it started and do a quick flip on it, or should this be the next project for the channel, guys? I'm looking for another project. Of course, I always do projects. We're currently working on the 55. I just started that project though, but this came up, so I had to get it, you know, maybe down the road for a future build. You know, I'm basically, I got my garage is filled up with projects and cars and the ones that I've already done. And we'll be doing a recap of everything that I've done and built on the channel, guys. So that'll be coming up later. But for right now, this 1970 Triumph is going to be in the spotlight. I really want you guys to comment. Any of these guys that know anything about these vehicles, please let me know what I need to do. If there's anything special with this particular vehicle that I need to do when I'm trying to you know, bleed the brakes out. I'm gonna have to go through the gas tank, of course. You know, hopefully, I know I'm gonna have to get new lines for the gas tank and stuff. Hopefully the gas tank ain't ate up. But when I picked it up, that's where it's been sitting for 30 plus years. Like I said, it's been a one owner. I got all the books and manuals on this vehicle. Originally 65,000 miles, I believe. Even I went and got new spark plugs and changed them out. That's one good thing that I did like about this is that he actually took the spark plugs out and he put a little bit of oil in the cylinders because he knew that this motor is going to be sitting a while. So I don't even, but like I said, nothing is locked up. I turned it by hand. So we will, if we do decide to fix it, we will be getting all new parts because I've been looking online and I can't get parts for these vehicles. So that's one good thing. But like I said, I need help trying to work on this because this is my first time having a sedan, especially a Triumph. So I'm loving it, man. I'm having a blast. This is going to be an awesome vehicle for the channel. So you guys just need to write comments down below. If you guys know Triumphs, know anything about this vehicle, please let me know because I want to know what I need to do to get this thing up and running as fast as possible. So you guys was with me all day today. You guys went with me to go pick up this Triumph, man, and she's a beaut. You know, it's, you know, like I said, that's one reason why I like to wash them is because I did see some more body damage that I didn't see before, like on the quarter panels. It was up against the wall, so I couldn't really see on the passenger side, but there's a few minor dents on the passenger side. Of course, the quarter panels on the bottom is kind of ate up. Around the fender well is ate up too. But all this is a metal vehicle, so I should be able to, you know, fix that with patch panels, no problem. So, hey, I'm going ahead and end this video for the day. At that, we got a lot of stuff done. But like I said, I want you guys to like this video, share this video, and if you really enjoyed it, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it, guys. So like I tell everybody, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.